These relaxing pigment mix videos are taking over YouTube and TikTok right now. This channel right here built an audience of over 879,000 subscribers just by posting this exact style of content. Even more impressive, their most popular Shorts video has over 227 million views, while their most popular long-form video has over 180,000 views in the last months. The best part is, you can create videos like these using Google Flow AI, completely free. Watch what I made in less than 4 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can start making your own viral pigment mix videos today. Make sure you're subscribed, and let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need is the prompt document I've prepared for this tutorial. You'll find the link in the description below. Open it up, copy the entire master prompt, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it into a new conversation. Once you send it, the AI will ask you what type of materials you want to combine in your pigment mixing video. If you don't already have an idea, don't worry. Open another ChatGPT chat and use the second prompt included in the document. Give me an engaging and hook-worthy material A, material B, mixing instrument, and final appearance for a pigment ASMR video. Now, send it. This prompt is designed to generate dozens of satisfying material combinations that work perfectly for this style of content. In just a few seconds, you'll have plenty of creative ideas to choose from. Pick the one that catches your attention the most. For this tutorial, I'll be using the very first suggestion on the list. Now copy the selected material combination and paste it back into the original ChatGPT conversation. After a few moments, it will automatically generate everything you need for your video. Sometimes, ChatGPT might misbehave. You can specifically ask it to output only text and not generate any image. Once that is done, you'll receive 2 detailed image prompts along with a matching video prompt that we'll use inside Google Flow AI. Open Google Flow AI and switch to the image generator. Before generating, make sure you've selected your preferred image settings. Once everything looks good, return to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, return back to Google Flow, and paste it in the image prompt and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Google Flow will produce several image variations. Choose the image you like best, click the 3-dot menu, and select Add to Prompt. This helps Google Flow maintain visual consistency between both scenes. Next, return to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and generate your second image. In just a few seconds, you'll have another high-quality scene that matches the first one perfectly. With both images ready, it's time to animate them. Switch over to the Video tab in Google Flow. For this tutorial, I'm using the Omni Flash model because it's incredibly fast and produces excellent results. At the moment, Omni Flash doesn't support frames, so we'll use the Ingredients option instead. Drag your first image into the first ingredient slot, then add the second image to the next one. Finally, copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a short wait, Google Flow will create a smooth pigment mixing animation based on your 2 images. The motion is incredibly satisfying and looks exactly like the viral videos you've probably been seeing across YouTube long videos, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Let's look at the result. This is impressive. Go ahead and download. You can create more if you want. Now that we've created our images in Google Flow AI, let's turn them into a much longer and smoother animation using Cdance 2.0 inside OpenArt. If you haven't already, you can sign up for OpenArt using the link in the description or inside the prompt document. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Frame to Video section. The setup is very straightforward. Upload your first generated image as the starting frame, then upload your second image as the ending frame. These two images will guide the entire animation from beginning to end. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the video animation prompt it generated for you. Paste that prompt into the description box inside OpenArt. After that, choose the aspect ratio that matches the platform you're creating for, set your preferred video duration, select the resolution, decide how many variations you want to generate, and then click Generate. After a short wait, Seedance 2.0 will begin creating your animation. Let's preview the result. As you can see, the transition is incredibly smooth, the pigment movement looks very natural, and the overall animation feels much more cinematic. This is exactly the kind of satisfying motion that keeps viewers watching until the very end. The best part is that you're not limited to creating just one clip. Simply repeat the same workflow using different pigment combinations from ChatGPT. The more combinations you create, the more content you'll have ready to publish. Once you've generated several animations, import all of them into your favorite video editor and arrange the clips one after another. Add your material names on screen if you'd like, include relaxing background music, and export the final video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.